The STIHL RMA 460 battery-powered lawnmower has loads of great features that makes lawn mowing a breeze. It has one-handed cut height adjustment, a 3-stage handlebar height setting so it's comfortable for both Michael and I to use, also large, easy running wheels, and best of all, its automatic eco mode means battery life is incredible. In fact, you can even cut well over a tennis court of grass on a single charge. Darren, I can only get Michael to mow the lawn maybe once a month. How often should we be mowing it?
I think through spring and summer you should mow your lawn 3 to 4 times a month. This will keep it nice and short and encourage new, fresh growth.
You know what, this is really easy, so I'm going to mow it every week.
Nice. In terms of the best pattern to cut, you need to firstly have all the edges trimmed, then mow in nice, neat, straight lines.